By the way, only 3 umpires here tonight, so their check swings could be a problem later on with men on base because one of the umpires will have to move over to second. Time to run. Nope. He went. See, there's nobody there.
I'm going to say no swing. I thought he went on that one,
just
too.
talking
Andy
about
Fletcher,
that was,
second base umpire.
Yeah, that was a point I was just making at the top of the inning, that's going to come into play tonight, that there's nobody down there when there's a man on base.
I think Sam Perlazzo and Charlie Manuel are both saying something, and I think Charlie's just been thrown out of the ballgame.
Oh, no. That was a short fuse.
Well, I wonder if it's a carryover even from the catch.
Well, no, yeah, they were arguing the check swing. They want to know, hey, how can he call it from second? Well, that's what they got to do. And that was the point I was making in the top of the inning, that this could come into play at some point tonight. A little quicker than we thought.
I think Charlie has an argument, and we're assuming it's Charlie that's been thrown out of the ballgame. If not, he'd be thrown out now anyway because he's out arguing.
Yeah. Yeah, he's out. Yeah, he was thrown out of the game.
No, I didn't know if because Sam Perlazzo was arguing too, so
yeah.
I didn't know if it was somebody else that may have been ejected.
But there's nobody there.
Yeah.
And if you're at second base, it's hard to see that.
That one's hit toward third. That's a oh no! The home plate umpire says foul ball. That looked like a fair ball, Wheels.
Well, I thought it was too.
Wow, that looked like it went right over the bag.
This one, that third base umpire tonight.
Yeah, big time. Andy Fletcher, who would normally be over third base because Joe West is sick, he slides over toward the middle of the diamond.
All it has to do is it was a ground ball, obviously, not a line drive, but all it has to do is catch a piece of the bag. Does it go over it?
That is a fair ball.
That's a fair ball. Yeah, it looked like it from up
here. He had the best view too. There goes Victorino. Pitch is taken high. The throw to third is in time.
Oh my goodness!
I can't believe he called him out.
Oh wow!
Juan Samuel is going to take up the argument. Pete McCannon's going to come over as well. It looked like he was coming up. His foot was on the bag.
He did, unless he didn't get there or something. It didn't even look like it was close.
I'll take a look. Oh my gosh, he didn't even tag him.
We're 3,000 feet in the air and we can see these.
Yeah,
it's just so bad.